हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल ज्ञान वाइब्स। आज हम फार्मासिस्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इसरो का, और जो अभी 10 अप्रैल को ही हुआ है। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ डाइसेक्राइड? ऑप्शन ए सुक्रोज, ऑप्शन बी फ्रुक्टोज, ऑप्शन सी लैक्टोज एंड ऑप्शन डी इज माल्टोज। सो सुक्रोज, लैक्टोज एंड माल्टोज ये डाइसेक्राइड्स है, एंड ओनली फ्रुक्टोज इज नॉट अ डाइसेक्राइड. Option B is right, fructose. Now next question is weight by volume percentage solution is option A number of ml of active medicament dissolved in 100 ml of solvent, option B number of ml of active medicament dissolved in 100 gram of solvent, option C number of gram of medicament dissolved in 100 ml of solvent, and option D is the number of gram active medicament dissolved in 100 gram of solvent. तो इसमें ही आप क्वेश्चन से पता लग कर सकते हैं। तो वेट बाय वॉल्यूम बोला है, तो मतलब weight in gram volume ml. So option is C is right. So number of grams of active medicaments dissolved in 100 ml of solvent. Now next question is what does EC in a prescription meanings? EC means before meals. Now third option is right before meal. Now question number 4, which among the following COVID-19 vaccine can be stored at room temperature for a maximum of 1 week? Covaxin, Covishield, Moderna, Sputnik, and it is the right answer. It is ऑप्शन सी मॉडर्ना. मॉडर्ना को हम लोग रूम टेम्परेचर पे स्टोर कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज insulin, antitoxin and vaccines are categorized under this schedule of a drug and cosmetic rules 1945. so schedule A में तो सारे applications आते हैं. now schedule H में प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नार्कोटिक ड्रग्स आते हैं, एंड शेड्यूल एफ में ब्लड रिलेटेड आता है, एंड शेड्यूल सी में आते हैं एंटी टॉक्सिन्स, बायोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्ट्स, इंसुलिन. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फॉलोइंग ड्रग्स आर अवॉइडेड विथ एस्पिरिन एक्सेप्ट phenylbutazone, endomethacin, heparin and antacid. So right answer is option D, antacid. The next question is convert 80% of proof spirit. So इसका formula है percentage of strength into 1.753 minus 100. सो आप इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो 40.24 आएगा इन पॉजिटिव. सो अगर पॉजिटिव आता है तो वो ओवर स्प्रिट ओवर प्रूफ होता है, और नेगेटिव आता है तो अंडर प्रूफ होता है. सो ऑप्शन में देखते हैं, ऑप्शन में है 40.24 अंडर प्रूफ, नेगेटिव तो नहीं है, इज अ पॉजिटिव. नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 40.24, इट इज अ ओवर प्रूफ. So right answer is 40.24 overproof. Now next question is universal antidote contains all following excepts EDTA, tannic acid, magnesium oxide, powder charcoal. So right answer is EDTA, option A. Now next question is which among the following causes renal eczema as an adverse drug reaction? Option A vitamin A, option B heparin, option C methacrylate, and option D aspirin. So right answer is heparin. Option B is right. Now 10th number question, the method used for the detection of faulty sealing. जो faulty sealing होंगे उसमें ऑप्शन ए बेनेडिक्ट टेस्ट, डिसोल्यूशन टेस्ट, रप्चर टेस्ट और बबल टेस्ट. तो फॉल्टी सीलिंग हमें बबल टेस्ट से ही पता लगती है. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, बबल टेस्ट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द वेक्टर यूज इन कोवैक्सीन वैक्सीन इज. सो इसमें वेक्टर यूज होता है ऑप्शन ए CHADO into 1. ऑप्शन ए इज राइट. ऑप्शन ए राइट है. Next is posology deals with everybody know option D is dosage form of drugs. Now next question is which among the following causes acute hepato hepatotoxicity as an adverse drug reaction? It is a rifampicin, lithium, phentoin and sulfonamides. It is a rifampicin. Rifampicin में हिपोटॉक्सिसिटी होती है, ओटोटॉक्सिसिटी होती है. Now next question is amaranth solution is used in the preparation of ear drop, gargles, Mendel's pen and nasal drops. It is the right answer is gargles. Option B. Now next question is the instrument used to measure radioactive are all except Geiger molar counter, cloud chamber, electroscope and galvanometer. So right answer is option D, galvanometer. The next question is which among the following is used as a vehicle in the preparation of injection? So it is the first option is right, pyrogen free water. Question is the calcium channel blocker used as anti-arrhythmic drug is diltiazem, amlodipine, clonidine, felodipine. Non-correct option is option A, diltiazem. Now next question is the label in the packaging of Schedule FF drug contains the following except. जो Schedule F में आते हैं पूरे ophthalmic preparations, so उसमें direction within use within 1 month after opening the container ये होता ही है, not for injection. अगर irritation cause कर रहा है तो उनको discontinue करना है या फिर consult करना है physician में. But option C is ये नहीं होता है for IM और IV use. Now right answer is option C. Now next question is which among the following is not a parenteral route of administration? Intrathecal, subcutaneous, rectal suppositories and intravenous. So option C is right, rectal suppositories. Now next question is quality control test for soft gelatin capsule is dissolution test, content uniformity, capsule fragility, rupture test or disintegration test. So right answer is disintegration test. The next question among these unsaturated fatty acid is lauric acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid. The correct option is D, oleic acid. The next question is Frye's formula. It is the age in year upon 20 into adult dose. Next option is age in month upon 150 into adult dose. Now option C is base surface area of child upon of adult, base surface area of an adult into adult dose. Next option is age in year upon age in year plus 12 into adult dose. So right answer is option B, age in month upon 150 into adult dose. Now next question is which among the following is an antiviral agent? So option A is right, nelfinavir. Now next is question is neostigmine is mainly used for the treatment of option A, myasthenia gravis, stroke, urinary incontinence and the myocardial infarction. Now correct answer is myasthenia gravis. Now question number 5, calciterol is active form of vitamin D2. Next option is inactive form of vitamin D2, active form of vitamin D3, inactive form of vitamin D3. It is option C is right, vitamin, active form of vitamin D3. The next question is conversion of amino acid, lactate and glycerol into glucose occurs mainly in muscles, kidney, lungs and pancreas. So it is present in kidney. Option B is right. Question is colposcopic study is done for diagnosis cervical cancer, hepatocellular carcinoma and peptic ulcer. The right answer is option A. Option A is right, cervical cancer. Now next question is nifedipine is used for, this the pain में use होती है, so it is analgesia, preterm labor, depression and headache. It is analgesia, so it is pain में use होती है, so option A is right, analgesia. Ketamine produce, ketamine it is a dissociative and anesthesia. and it is a right answer is option B is dissociative anesthesia. Now next question is imatinib, an alkaloid of ipecacuanha, act as it is anti-malarial, antispasmodic, antiseptic, anti-amobicide. It is option D is right, amobicide. Option D is right, amobicide. Now next question is drug of choice in motion sickness is scopolamine, atropine, metoclopramide, and domperidone. It is option A. It is right, scopolamine. Next is the chemical name of plaster of Paris. It is calcium sulfate. Option A is right. 1000 nanogram equals to 1 centigram, 1 gram, 1 kilogram, and 1 microgram. It is 1000 nanogram equals to 1 microgram. Option D is right. The next question is benzyl peroxide is an astringent, keratolytic, an emollient, and a preservative. It is एलर्जी में यूज होता है, एलर्जन में यूज होता है, so it is a keratolytic. Now next is question is Rochelle salt is chemically sodium metaphosphate, sodium metabase, sulfide, and sodium potassium tartarate. Second, last is sodium thiosulfate. Now it is a correct option is C, sodium potassium tartarate. So next question is chylomicrons are present form in stomach, in kidney, in liver, in small intestine. It is a present in the form of in small intestine. Option is D, right. The next question is digitalis overdose can be reversed by the administration of phenytoin, calcium, fat fragments of digoxin specific antibodies, and sodium. Now right answer is C. Option C is right. Fat fragments of digoxin specific antibodies. Now next question is Bancroft rule is related to, it is related to emulsion. Now option A is right. Usol is Europe University solution, is Carolina University Dettol solution, Edinburgh University solution. It is option D is right, Edinburgh University solution. Now next is hepatotoxicity metabolites of paracetamol. It is option B is right, N-acetyl P-benzoquinoamide. Option B is right. Now next question is the most common ocular adverse effect of prostaglandin analog is eye drop, fluctuating and blurred vision, conjunctival bleaching, conjunctival hyperemia, and miosis. Now option C is right, conjunctival hyperemia. Now next question is which among the following is steroidal diuretics? It is amiloride, trimetrin, and spironolactone, indapamide. So it is a diuretic is spironolactone. Option C is right. Now next question is erythromycin and lincomycin has a similar action as belongs to which group? It is a macrolide group. जो erythromycin है, lincomycin है, वो azithromycin या macrolide ग्रुप में प्रेजेंट होते हैं antibiotics में. Next question is drug exclusively used in the treatment of UTI is urinary tract infection. It is a gentamicin, penicillin, nitrofurantoin, and vancomycin. It is the right answer is option C, nitrofurantoin. The next question is paracetamol is mainly used as antipyretic, antiplatelet, option both A and B and none of the above. So ये fever में use होता है paracetamol. It is option A is right, antipyretic. Next question is the drug used in rheumatoid arthritis. NSAIDs भी use होता है, hydrochloroquine भी use, hydroxy क्लोरोक्विन भी यूज होता है, मिथोटैक्सेट्रेट भी यूज होता है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज राइट, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Now next question is psoralen is used in the treatment of so acne, skin infection, urticaria or psoriasis. So option D is right, psoriasis. The next question is phenothiazine, butyrophenones, xanthines and are used in the treatment of it is a pain, depression, sleep disturbance और schizophrenia. ये यूज होता है schizophrenia में. Option D is right. Now next question is which of the following is catecholamine? Adrenaline, noradrenaline and dopamine. So तीनों ही है catecholamine. It is option D is right, all of the above. The next question is which is not a correct related to hypertension? Diet, no restriction, obesity, reduce it, smoking, stop it, alcohol, minimize intake. So इसमें से not correct है जो कि है diet, no restriction. A is right. The next question is dextromethorphan is which class? So cough suppressant है या mucolytic है, expectorant है या all of the above. तो ये cough suppressant की क्लास में आता है dextromethorphan. Option A is right. Now H1 receptor antagonist is used in H1 receptor antagonist use होता है एलर्जी में. So option B is right. Option B is right, allergy. The next question is deficiency of which vitamin causes bleeding tendency. So सभी को पता है vitamin K. Option B is right. The next question is alteplase is tisoplasminogen inhibitor, antibiotic plasminogen inhibitor, antibiotics, diuretic, anti-allergic. So antiplatelet is a tissue plasminogen activator. So यहाँ तो inhibitor है. So option A ही होना चाहिए. Option A is right. And most common causes of nutritional anemia is iron deficiency, folic acid deficiency, cyanocobalamin deficiency, vitamin C deficiency. तो anemia में anemia में iron की deficiency होती है. Option A is right. हाइड्रोक्लोरोक्विन हैज एंटी मलेरियर भी होता है, एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी भी होता है एंड इम्यूनोमोड्यूलर भी इफेक्ट होता है. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्रियोसिस इज कॉज्ड बाय. ये अल्कोहल में भी होता है, मिथोटेक्स्ट्रेट में भी होता है, अमाइडोरॉन में भी होता है. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. So right answer is all of the above. Option A. Option D is right. Now next question is insulin lispro is. ये option A है right, short duration of action होता है. Now next question is vitamin D deficiency causes. ये तीनों cause करते हैं osteomalacia, osteoporosis, anemia. So option D is right, all of the above. Now last question is which of the following is incorrect about the vitamin K? इट इज अ फैट सॉल्युबल है, ए डी ई एंड के. स्टोर्ड इन लिवर में ही होता है, हेल्प इन ब्लड कोएगुलेशन. सो ऑप्शन डी इज राइट, नन ऑफ द अबव. सो होप यू ऑल लाइक द वीडियो एंड कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा. हम सारे ऐसे ही फार्मासिस्ट के क्वेश्चन पेपर और अपलोड करेंगे जो भी एग्जाम्स के होते हैं. सो लाइक द चैनल, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट.